¿También? ¿No? ¿No?
You want to pet him again?
Tyler, you want to pet him? You want to pet him?
You know what, Cameron? Put it back. You're going to use the bag.
Hey, let's go turn the loose up where there's some eggs. Just up here a little bit. Okay. All the adults.
Oh, they didn't
Come here,
do
guys.
it.
Come on.
Oh, look, there's stuff behind the wagon. Do you think
You see the eggs? I think everybody.
Show Daddy what you got. Here, step over it.
You got some candy?
Over.
You got some candy, Ty? All right. Cheese? Was that fun? What do you want to do now? You see the pigs and the sheep?
What's that?
He's big, huh? That's not a lamb. Not anymore.
Looks like a mountain goat and sheep. Mixed together. What is it?
It's a ram.
It's a ram?
Which was built to the specifications of the Homestead Act of 18... Oh, be careful, it's sort of short. The doorway is sort of short because the average Pioneer mill was about my height. But this was built according to the specifications of the Homestead Act of 1857.
Hit it.
Say time to eat. Okay, let
Good
somebody else
job.
try.
Give it to the next person. There she is. Hey, come on.
Get him!
La lana de los borregos, le quitan toda la lana y luego hacen ropa.
You got it.
Oh, there these big huh? Let's go see how they do.
Tyler, what are you doing?
Everybody's going smooth.
Tyler, right here.
Okay.
This one likes to move.
Get one?
Where'd it go?
That was my
Is he soft?
Look at this, Rachel. Rachel, look.
Okay, don't let go of the wood, please, sweetheart.
He laughs.
Oh, it's moving. I'm gonna put this down.
For them to have a turn first. Ian, wait,
I'm
honey.
gonna see the sheep.
You want to pet the donkey?
Jacoby.
What?
Okay.
Dad.
Oh, did he go away?
Oh, there's a lot more back there too. That's what Eric was.
Can you pet the donkey? He's looking at you. You want to touch him? Go ahead.
There we go.
A llama. I think. Isn't that one? Now you.
Hey, Jackson.
Look.
Jackson, look at you.
You ready to ride a horse? All right.
Oh, I think that one's no, but I want that one that can ride it.
Are you ready, buddy?
You got Jesse right on the back with you?
I want that one.
Honey, you gotta wait. You're in line.
Oh, Tiff.
Come on, okay. Come on.
Is that a nice horse? Can you wave? Is that fun?
Hey, go ahead and bring that big horse out.
Your horsey.
Hey, Brenda. Hey,
Of course not.
you wanna come get her? Someone else's tree.
See, we're by the horsey.
They have one selling up there for 15.
Hey, let's go.
I'm not sure. I don't know if that's I'll be here in 10 minutes.
Did you have fun today? What'd you do? You did, huh?
brown horsey?
Yeah.
You see the buffalo?